Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through. If you have lost your earbuds, you can use Apple's Find My feature to locate them. So here is a step-by-step guide to finding your lost earbuds. Firstly, on your iPhone, iPad or Mac, open the Find My app, or alternatively, you can go to the iCloud website and log in with your Apple ID. Now once inside Find My, on the bottom screen of Find My, you can see few options available there. Simply tap on the devices from there. So now tap devices, bottom of the screen on the app. Now inside devices, scroll through the list of devices you have and simply select your earpods. So if your earpods are online connected to a device, their last known location will appear on the map. If they are offline, you will see the last location where they were connected. So you can also tap on the play a sound in the Find My app. After you tap on the play sound, a loud sound will play from the earbuds to help you locate them. All you have to do is follow the sound to locate the earbuds. Also, this works only if your earbuds are within Bluetooth range and have enough battery. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.